If you're wondering what is this, is a Pomodoro Cube or an ADHD timer. So I saw this tweet a few days ago which talked about like a ADHD timer which had like a LCD here and it keeps timing up. It's essentially just a mechanism to keep you focused for small time intervals. And I had like an ESP32 board lying around, so I thought like why not take another spin on it, which can be a little bit more interesting. So this is just a way to figure out, or this is just a way to tell you like how I did that. So what I did is like I took a board called ESP32S3 LED matrix, which is by Waveshare. It is nothing but like an ESP32S3 dev kit, which has these 64 LEDs attached to it. So you could, like, if you don't have it, you can take anything else as well. But essentially what it does is, like, if you keep it at 5, it'll basically keep filling this through a sand grain effect. And when all the LEDs full up, then basically it goes out. So it gives you that sense of like, yeah, the timer is running. And you can do it by 15 and it can like switch over anytime whenever you turn to a new period, or like 60 minutes or 30 minutes. And like another good thing is if you put it like this, it'll basically pause and you can start back right up wherever you were if you like take it back. It also has a switch, so you can like turn it off to save power, you can charge the battery. So we'll see like how did I make it. So it has the components is like I talked about the ESP32 S3 LED matrix from Waveshare. If you don't have that, you can take any other ESP32 board and you can take another LED matrix and you can connect it as well. The internals are essentially very simple as well. So if you'll see, like that's the ESP32 S3 LED matrix board in there. The other thing, it has a small battery that I put in and a LiPo charger. Both of these are optional. Like if you want to just connect it to a USB directly and just use it that way, you can do that as well. But I want it to be like standalone, so I put in a battery. You also can avoid this charger as well if you have other means to charge the battery, but you'll have to take it out and charge it that way. I just wanted to make sure that I can just do it all as a end user product, so I put it in. What you need to do then is I'll put this circuit board on the screen now. So it's a pretty simple circuit board. Essentially what you do is you connect the battery to the battery terminals of the LiPo charger, and then essentially what you do is you connect the battery output to the ESP32 board, the 5-volt pin of the ESP32 board, and then the ground to this switch, and then another pin of this switch to the ground on the charger. And then like you can just control it. And I'll also give the link to the source code as well. It's pretty simple source code. It's under like 1,000 lines, but I did it in Rust, which is hard mode essentially. So that's why it took 100,000 lines or something. But if you were to do it in say Arduino, or you were to do it in say MicroPython or CircuitPython or something, you can probably do it in say less than 200 lines of code or something. But yeah, try it out and let me know how it went.